Oh my God!
Don't worry, he'll be fine. But this crab, it cracks coconuts for breakfast. This crab bites harder than a lion. Let that sink in. The coconut crab looks like it pays rent late, but its claws hit 4 times stronger than a human jaw, dense metal traps for fun, and casually climbs trees like it forgot it's a crab. These guys even hunt birds. Imagine getting jumped by seafood. It's the largest land crab on Earth, basically a dog-sized crab with the grip strength of a hydraulic press and zero chill. Follow for more nature creatures that clearly skip the rule book.